Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day, Sagittarius. Hope you are celebrating this day with your loved ones, guys. So, I will start picking cards for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. So let's see what are the cards. We have Knight of Cups, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and the Fool. So, Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, you are a person who has dreams and goals. So, you are someone who follows your dreams, and whatever path that you choose for yourself, it may be in your career or in your personal life, you have your intuition telling you what is the right thing to do. So you listen to your heart in any situation, and you are a very honest person, truthful to your heart. So what you need to do today, you think it out clearly with your heart and you go for that right actions, guys, Sagittarius. And maybe today something which you expected to go in a positive way has gone wrong, guys. It may be in your career or personal life, maybe a person you trusted, or some projects or assignments which you were hoping to go in a positive way has delayed or got suspended. So some kind of troubles in your situation, guys. It may be in your career or personal life, guys, in this relationship. So what you expected is not what is happening today, guys, Sagittarius, in your situation. And I also see that maybe in certain decisions you are just rushing through, thoughtless. Maybe you are having your instincts on certain things, and you are thinking that these instincts are guiding you in a proper way, and you are rushing to make some choices or make some important decisions today, Sagittarius. But if you are in the verge of making some important decisions, you need to be careful today, guys, because thoughtless decisions may not work well for you. So you have to be really careful, guys, Sagittarius. That is what I see for your general energies, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, you may love this person, you have that true love on them, and they have that true love on you. But the way you behave or the way you speak or something on your part is not right. So they may feel that you are trying to dominate them or control them in some ways. So they may see you as a control freak for some of you. So you are a person who firmly believes in yourself. So you feel you are the one making the right decisions each and every time. So sometimes you have to listen to this other person also, guys, whatever they say. So if you want true love, if you want this true love, you need to listen to them, guys. That is what I see with this card. And you have to have that humility and compassion towards this person. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ace of Cups. So a very positive card here for your career situation, guys. So some new beginning, something which you love. It may be some kind of a creative beginning. Maybe if you are a person interested in some kind of art, it may be a new beginning based on that, your creative it may use your creativity, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. I have a Valentine's Day special pick a card reading coming up right now. If you are interested, you can watch that, guys. Sagittarius. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way. And love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys. And you are not forgotten. So love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So that is the reading, guys. So this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.